should have put the screen. Going to the bathroom. I know.
Buo ka karon ni? Ha? Dili tubang. Buta ka rin yan.
Is that it?
Ay, Alex, tuta na karoon. Ba't mo rin tilog?
Load. It doesn't have any more.
Karoon to yan.
Is that it?
Information na lang na dyan.
Please, some more. It went back down. What the heck? Seriously?
Rotten.
Seriously? I just on to this. I know it's really bad. You can't zoom in on video.
Ay, set.
He's not there. Wow. I don't think they can hear. That's it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's it.
That's it?
There's more.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah, more.
Hey.
Dayang buo mo.
Wow.
Dito na sa bangnan to.
It's like now chill.
Bukod. Daddy. Bang.
Seriously, there's more. Better be more. Yes, so those were the fireworks. I know it wasn't much. There was way more after, but I couldn't film anymore because my iPod had no more battery. So sorry about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. And so yeah, please. It was at MacDonald RV Resort in Alberta. So yeah, because I went camping there with my family. So, and I'm sorry that I didn't upload any videos right before I left, because we left at 12 noon on Friday, and didn't have any time to do anything because I had to get ready and shower. So yeah, but I will be doing a nail tutorial on these nails. They're just ombre nails. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And I hope you enjoyed the fireworks. And yeah, I'll be posting way more videos. So yeah, please subscribe and have a great day. Bye.